Hey GlamFam, welcome or welcome back, besties. So even in the holiday season, we need to be saving money. Let's do hair at home. I'm using a pre-stretched Kanekalan hair in the black color, and then I'm going to be using this brownish one just for an accent color or a pop of color. So let's undo these braids. Yeah, why are you looking at me like that? Let's undo the braids and then we're going to get started. Now, to do your own hair, it really does take practice, but if you want to save some money, this is a good way to do it. So we're going to do some big box braids here. Husband and I have a date night, so I'm trying to go for a different look. Plus, he hates the wig, and so if I can braid, I'll try that option sometimes. So let's start from the back, and we're going to braid, braid, braid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be wrapping the dark hair with the brown one just for a little accent. So that's what I'm doing here. So once I feed in the brown right there, I'm going to take the brown piece and then I'm just going to wrap it around the braid. Let's do another close-up of the wrapping of the hair. And while you're wrapping, you're kind of allowing it to overlap towards the end, and then you're going down the braid with it. You can wrap the braid, or you can choose just to wrap the hair unbraided. To secure the brown piece, you are going to braid it in the black portion of the hair, just like so. guys, we're on the very last one. We're always doing the happy dance when we're on the last one. So the hairs that I've left out is gonna be like a boho, but I felt like I might have wrapped the curls too tightly. So if you do loose curls, or if you have just curly hair and would want to add it to this, that would work. But the hairs that I left out, I did braid with like a small rod. And so the curls, I think, were a little bit too tight. So you could use a string to curl or one of those little spongy rods. You'll see what I mean after I show you guys. So these pieces I am going to be curling. So I feel like if the curls were looser, it would have been better, but they were too tight. Regardless, I'm going to put them in rods, and this is what that is looking like. Well, I added mousse to kind of keep the hair together, and then we're going to take them out. So I did the rods and then kept it in for a little bit. Now I'm taking it down, and this is what that is looking like, because we're about to go out. We're about to do road. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. But yeah, if you're looking to save money this holiday season, yeah, you gotta do something to yourself so you can spend the money on something else. And then this is the hair like a week later. You have to tie it down, of course. So the curls are still intact, but this is it later.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.